In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Rednote account. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu and select on the option that says Me. Then go ahead and locate the gear icon and press on it. It should be right next to the profile button. Once you're over here, go ahead and press on account security, then go ahead and scroll down until you see this option that says account cancellation. And basically all you need to do from here is you need to go ahead and press on that like so. And once you're done with that, it is going to bring you a page that looks like this. And all you got to do is you got to go to the bottom and then press on the red text. So unfortunately, they don't actually put this in English, which is very confusing. So please just follow exactly what I'm going to be doing. Alright, so once you get this pop-up, go ahead and press on the white text that is towards the left, so this one right over here. So then you should be brought to a screen that looks like this, and it is going to send you a code. Then all you got to do is you got to go ahead and enter in the code, and then press on the red button that does appear right over here. And then you should be brought to a page that looks like this, and all you got to do is you got to go ahead and just confirm it by pressing on the text towards the bottom, and then go ahead and press on the red button once more. Then it is going to ask you for like a reason why you're doing this. So go ahead and just select some random things over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on this, then go ahead and press on the red button, then go ahead and press on the white button once more. And just like that, you have now deleted your Rednote account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.